Anything you could think of that's bad. That's why insurance companies don't like it. So I came out here, took a look at it, and as soon as I looked at it, I said, Hey guys, John Pruitt with Addison Riley out here in Pace today, and got a call about a roof that needed to be redone. It's an Ivan roof, so it's at the end of its life cycle. And they called me and said they had some other roofers out here, and they've got a stucco issue as well, and didn't know how to fix it. So I was referred, so I came out here to take a look at it. And basically, we have an Ivan roof, and I'm going to try and show you a little bit of high. If you can see, if you've got ethos stucco, you're going to run into this a lot. You can kind of see how that roof line up there is ran to the stucco. That stucco is actually ethos, which is a sponge. Basically, it's a foam. So when it gets wet, water hits it and then it wicks up the wall, and then that starts to cause leaking, wood rot, just about anything you could think of that's bad. That's why insurance companies don't like it. So I came out here, took a look at it, and as soon as I looked at it, I said, you've got ethos stucco, and it was installed improperly. So we're going to look at this roof. We're going to replace it, take a look at the dormer, rip all the stucco off, put some fiber cement up. But then what we're going to do is flash it properly, and that's what didn't happen before. You can't run any cladding, whether it's fiber cement or it's vinyl siding or it's stucco, especially ethos from back in the day, to the deck, because it takes moisture, wicks it up, and then you have all sorts of issues. So we're going to rip it all off, put up some fiber cement, but then we're going to put some peel and seal down on the wall, onto the deck, run some 6x6 flashing up the wall and onto the deck, and then we will run our felt paper or our peel and seal, depending on what we do, again up the wall, a minimum of 4 inches. That's a good practice. A lot of roofers don't do it. They tend to run their felt paper or their peel and seal to the flashing and then just cut it off right there. No, run it up the wall. It's a good practice. That way water can't get through. It's got three different ways it has to get, 3 different items it has to get through: peel and seal or felt paper, then the metal, then the peel and seal or felt paper again, just to get into your house. So this house is leaking inside, and we're going to see if we can fix it. But that's a good practice. Run the peel and seal, run the felt paper up the wall. Stop having issues with your stucco, your cladding, or any kind of leaking inside where a dormer meets your roof line. All right, guys, have a good day. If you need us at AddisonRiley.com, Facebook at Addison Riley LLC.